Todora, 25B. Thank you. 148572.
Good morning, Judge Deanna D. On behalf of Mr. Todora, state your name for the court. Randy Todora.
All right, I need a order. Mr. Todora pled guilty of open house party. The agreement was that it would be taken under section 771.1 with length of time to be in the court's discretion. Today is the date scheduled for sentencing. Anything you'd like to say?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Todora has been employed at Ford Motor Company for 29 years, and he has indicated to me that he is able to pay the fines and costs today.
Okay, anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Todora, why were you doing this, Mr. Todora?
It was a bad day on May 10th.
I'm sorry?
It was just a bad day on May 10th.
I know, but you had 50 kids that were drinking at your house. What if one of them gets drunk?
It only happened 10 minutes. I mean, it was not a party that I had 35 people show up in 10 minutes. And not one of them knew who I was.
Some teenagers had a notification set that I don't know.
You don't authorize your kids to have parties, drinking parties at your house with minors, do you?
No, that's not how it happened. I mean, I had 30 kids on my sidewalk and not one of them knew who I was or anybody in the house.
Did you tell them, you better get out of my house, you're drinking,
Yes, they looked at me and didn't know who I was, and rudest people I've ever met. And they were exactly the same way to the police officer. He lined them up on all my sidewalk, and not one of them was from Woodhaven, and not one of them knew who any of us was in the house.
Well, if they're rude people.
They were coming through the backyard, they were jumping fences. There were 3 cars with 35 people in them. It all happened. I mean, if it was a party for 2 hours, I would have had the cops called a long time ago. I mean, it was just shocking, all seriously.
Your kids invited some people over.
All 30 of those people didn't even know who my kids were. Didn't know anybody from the party.
You mean they all just decided we're going to go up and drink at this house with nobody inviting them? They were in there illegally? Come on.
They came in through the side, they came in through the back.
I know, but somebody invited them. Whether your kids invited 4 kids or 2 kids or 20 kids or 30 kids, somebody invited those kids over there. They didn't
According to the police report showed that none of those kids knew who we were or had the address. They showed up to a friend's location, but none of them, they were lined up on my sidewalk. Now, one person from Woodhaven, and
they were hiding in the back room, according to the police report.
Yeah.
You had bottles of vodka in there. They were playing beer pong. Somebody let the kids in. They didn't break into the house and start playing beer pong and bring bottles of vodka with them. Now listen, don't make this worse than it is.
I know.
Somebody needed to call the police if they were breaking into their house, right?
They did. The cops came 5 minutes after.
Did you call the police?
The girl that was in my house.
Did you call the police?
My next door neighbor called the police.
Ah.
I was trying to.
Did your kids call the police?
They were in shock. They didn't know any of these people. I mean, I can't believe that you're saying that you don't know what 17 and 18-year-old kids are doing nowadays. They don't care.
Mr. Todora.
They don't care.
Mr. Todora.
Yeah, all right.
I could tell you stories that you wouldn't even comprehend.
I did, and I'm learning now.
Don't tell me that I don't know what's going on out there, but your story does not make sense that 30 to 50 people just started congregating in your house without permission, without your knowledge, without your kids' knowledge, and they're playing beer pong, and having bottles of vodka. You're making it kind of worse for yourself because you're not accepting any responsibility.
I accepted all the responsibility. I'm just telling you what happened.
You keep interrupting me, so that isn't good. 6 months probation under 771.1. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. You cannot violate any law. You change your address, employment or home telephone number, you must notify probation. You have to report as directed. I'm going to order that you serve 2 days of community service. You have to have that complete by September the 10th. Okay? 16 hours community service by September the 10th. You're going to pay $100 in fines, $100 in costs, $75 victim's rights fee, $50 justice assessment, $120 in probation fees, $40 in attorney fees. Everything included here amounts to $485. If you violate, your probation could be revoked. You could be incarcerated for 90 days. If you're compliant, at the end of 6 months, you come back. I'll be more than happy to dismiss this case on motion of the prosecutor. We're going to give you a review hearing date. You're going to go down the hall, pay your fines. Then you're going to go over to probation where they will instruct you. Do you understand everything?
Yes.
All right. Give me a date in mid-January.
January 14th.
At 8:30 in the morning, sir. January 14th at 8:30 in the morning. You come back. If you're compliant, the case will be dismissed. Do you understand all that?
Yes.
All right. Any questions at all, Ms. Patillo?
No, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions, sir? No. All right. Probation will instruct you. Go down, pay your fines, pick up your notice, don't lose it, and then go meet with probation. Best of luck. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.